The online assessment lasts 1 week. So when you apply, it lasts 1 week, and you've got to do those 3 assessments in a week. Now, they might guide you into doing all in 1 day. You do not have to do every one in 1 day. If I were you, I would do 1 on the Monday, 1 on the Wednesday, 1 on the Friday. But you've got 7 days anyway, so you could do it on a Saturday or Sunday as well. People often ask me, what order would I do it in? Well, I'll do the written briefing first, because you know that really sets you up. When you finish with us, the written briefing you give is going to be so magnificent. Trust me. I sound a bit like Donald Trump here. Big numbers, big numbers. You're going to be so brilliant at it. It really sets you up then for you to then do your interview. I would do the interview second, because the interview is the one that most people are worried about. So get rid of the interview as soon as possible, but don't necessarily have it first. Get the written briefing in, get the old, grey matter juices flowing, nail it, think, I've absolutely smashed that right. I'm now going to do the interview. And then I would finish with a verbal briefing last. I would spread it out over 5 or 6 days. You can do it in 1 day if you want. What's the point? Why burn yourself out? Give yourself if you're one of these people who likes to start and finish everything in one go, then yes. But I would spread it out.